Friends, Running Kimono here. So we have an old-fashioned video with a whole bunch of stores. We've got a little bit of Christmas included for everybody that loves Christmas, and even some Rite Aid, but I ran out of room for the thumbnail. But there's a whole lot of like little deals if you want to do them that are pretty good. And of course, we're going to start off with Walgreens because I know that's why most of you are here. So talking about Walgreens this morning in your digital coupons folder, some boosters started to show up. In my two accounts, I got a 6 back when you spend 25, an account that I don't use as much. And then the account that I use like all the time, I got a 7 back when you spend 25. Look for it at the top of your digital coupons folder. The start date is the 22nd, the end date is the 28th. So next week. So load that and come back to this video. Okay, so the first deal that I did is with the Bounty paper towel. I just needed to stock up on this because I recently gave a family member some and I'm like, I'm running short. So this week, when you buy 2 of these and they are a little bit more, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. And this is not one of the items that's glitching where you're getting 2, you're only going to get 1 back. This is the digital coupon that you're going to load. It's $1 off. Sorry, it's crunched in that way. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, there's $3 back for each. So that's an extra $6 back. And even though it says Meijer in that little window, if you go below the rebate, you see the second store listed is Walgreens. So you know you're in business. So please double, triple check you have the same rebate as I. I also threw in a bag of the all pods. You can get liquid or you can get Snuggle, but I went with these pods, and we have this very generous $1.50 digital coupon to go with this deal. So just looking at the hodgepodge of this, the 2 Bounty paper towels for $23.98, the all packs for $3.99 for a grand total of $27.97, subtracting the $2.50 digital coupons. I also threw in 1 register reward, so I had to pay $21.17. Now I used $20 in Walgreens cash and paid $1.17 plus tax. Got back $4 register reward and $6 from IBOTTA. So after everything, not factoring in that Walgreens cash, it would be like $11.17 for the 3. And I didn't have a booster to go with this because I used my booster on Sunday. So that's why I decided to roll $20 in Walgreens cash and make it some IBOTTA money and that register reward. Now, I did have a couple of those Axe gift sets. I bought them at Meijer for like $1 and some change, but they have up to $6.50 free coupon, and they scan perfectly over at Walgreens. So the body wash is like $5 and some change. It's scanned for nothing at the checkout. These free coupons have a very quick expiry date of the 31st, so I got to use them within the next 2 weeks, so wish me luck to find more. Okay, the next store that we're going to head to is the Dollar General, and we have 2 free items in this basket that include the Captain Crunch, and it's a penny for the greeting cards, and then we have a Dollar General nail product for very, very cheap. Let you guys know that I did this at a non-updated store. If your store is updated with free coupons, it's going to mess things up. So look for a store that has not been updated to do these deals with the most amount of success. Complete freebie is in the dollar spot. So look for this in the food dollar spot or the dollar spot at your store. It's these bags of the Captain Crunch, and definitely scan the barcode. We have a $2 digital. Grab 2 for 2, subtracting that coupon, it's free. Okay, the next deal that we have is the 50-cent American greeting card. So look high and low for those in the greeting card section. Grab 3 of them for $1.50, and we have $1.50 off of 3. It doesn't shake out to free because it's a Dollar General coupon. It's going to be like a penny each, so $1.47 subtraction, so 3 cents per card. Very good deal. And then this $1 off any Believe Beauty nail product. So we have these polishes for $1.25. With that $1 digital, it's 25 cents per. I did not want to have any more nail polish. This little square was $1.65, so subtracting that coupon, I paid 65 cents for a really nice nail file square. Not all nail files were attaching with this digital coupon, so make sure that you double, triple check to scan everything in store. But just 3 little cheapy freebies. What a great little mix over at Dollar General. The Christmas stuff did not hit a quarter. I made a special video on that yesterday. I'll link it at the end if you wish to watch. And I have no idea when more clearance events will be taking place there. It seems like they're being very stingy. Okay, guys, so in case you missed my short, Big Lots hit 90% on Tuesday, the 17th. So if you have a Big Lot store, I would head out. It's food, it's everything. And it's not the usual tinsel and bag of broken candy canes. There's some really nice stuff. So this was the first item that I thought was absolutely stupendous. 14 cents for this cake mix, and it expires in February of 2024. So, I mean, I stocked up on that. Also, really super uber cute. And I saw these in the store even like in December, and I was like, these are adorable. $5 for these totes, and now they're 50 cents. And look how sizable they are. Like, how adorable is that? A Christmas Story. I love this movie. $1.49 for these 3 cups. And then these adorable little LED lights in the unicorn and in the trucks, 64 cents each. National Lampoon Christmas Holiday. This one, 50 cents for this little moose. I should probably go get another one for my mother-in-law. And then really into Seinfeld, probably next year, not so much, but 42 cents for these big rolls, and they're adorable. I love Jerry Stiller in The King of Queens and Seinfeld, so loving that. 42 cents per roll. And then these really cute kids advent calendars, $3 for this one, and then for this PJ Masks one, it was like $3.29. So Big Lots, even though the signs might say 75 or 50%, everything is in fact ringing up 90% off if you want to stock up on food or wrapping paper. My goodness gracious, they have some nice stuff. I would go right away. Okay, the last store that we have is Rite Aid, and you might want to be on the lookout for some of their hair care products that are 75% off, and a lot of this stuff like, wow. The Herbal Essence, mousses. Unfortunately, we don't have any coupons for that, but they were 99 cents each. Really, really cheap price. And some of the specifics, one hairspray I got, and then these different mousses. Just really nice stuff. We have a Schwarzkopf hairspray for $2.24, and the Dr. Teal's for $1.74. Really good value. So shampoo and hairspray. Okay, guys, and then the L'Oreal Elvive. This is some sort of curl cream, super curls. I don't know what it's for. I don't have curly hair, but it was $1.92. If you go over to your coupons.com app, $3 back when you buy 2. And yes, it is attaching to said product. Grabbing 2 of them, that'll be $3.84. Make that submission to the coupons.com app. You're paying 84 cents for the 2. That is a tremendous deal. So I did grab a $40 basket this week. I had a 10 off of 40. You know, they print out of the Catalina machine. Apologies in advance. I did not grab a photo of that because it printed and then I used it. So it was one of those sort of things. 2 Downies, 1 Gain, and then 2 bags of the M&Ms, and we're going to look at the tags. So this was like exactly $40 or close to it. So this week, selected P&G products, including this Big Mama, spend 30, get back 10 on softener products. So here it is. Here's the tag. So I grabbed one of these because we had a digital coupon to go with. And here's the digital coupon. It's $2 off, and that came off. No problems, no issues. And then the next little item that I grabbed was 2 of these Downies, priced at the same price point, and the same promotion as well. And I had a bonus cash challenge for this of spend 15, get back like $4. So that's why I did it that way. Maximum savings, and I'll let you guys know that P&G Good Everyday site for like 4 months I can't print out any coupons off of there, so this is how I have to do it. This is the digital coupon that I used, was $2 off, so something's up with my computer, who knows. And then the M&Ms are 2 for $8, no coupon for that, but $1 back in bonus cash, and I had a bonus cash challenge of $2 back when you buy I think like $8, so that was really fantastic. So definitely look through your bonus cash challenges because that is the way to do it. Looking at the math for this basket, 3 of those P&G fabric products at $10.99 a pop is $32.97. 2 bags of M&Ms for $8 for a total of $40.97. I had that weird Catalina of 10 off of 40. It comes out of the Catalina machine. And then $4 of digital coupons, 2 for the Downy, 2 for the Gain. I paid $26.97. I rolled bonus cash that I had on my store card. Got back 11. 10 for the softener and 1 for the M&M, and then $6 back from the bonus cash challenges, making it $9.97 for the 5 products. So really beautiful softeners for like $3 and some change. I'll take that all day, every day. And these are my bonus cash challenges that I completed. $4 for Downy and then $2 for the M&Ms. So if you have not signed up for the bonus cash challenges and you're a Rite Aid shopper, definitely check out the link in the notes to sign up. It's a terrific little thing that they offer where you're getting back extra on your purchases within 2 months. So I think in early March, we'll get the bonus cash money for this, and I'm okay with that. And it just makes shopping there like just a little bit funner. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.